Flame, what are we doing now?
Okay, hold on. Let me just get rid of this real quick. Don't know why I have my sword out. Anyways, I got this confirmation from the guys that did this before. You know that like guy who looks like Anna and some weird ass guy that looks like a stick man. Yeah, them. They did this before, and that
What
would
you
be a good
mean?
idea. I don't know. They call themselves Echo VR and
Ever
VR Moth.
since we've been friends with Jack and Brad, crazy things
Yeah,
happening to me and you and Wembu.
yeah. Wembu, at least Jack asked Wembu if he'd like to do something.
Wait, did we send a paper to Jack about joining the SCP?
I don't think we did. Well, I don't think we actually did.
We sent Brad one,
Yeah,
and
we
he
did.
said no.
Yeah, like what will Jack end up doing when he gets into the SMP?
A lot of things. A whole list. Hey, do we have a whole list?
Do we have a list of actual things that he can possibly do?
Yeah, we do. I think we do.
Oh dear God.
Brad's, you don't seem that chaotic on his.
Yeah, it's just Jack we should probably be warned about. Bumbu has the whole list on both of them.
Yeah, we put Wembu on that job, giving them papers.
Yeah. We should probably, when we get back, we should probably ask him, like, hey, can you send papers
question.
to Jack? Yeah.
Shall we put, the little club to this? Or
Well,
no?
if we get the little club in here, I think Brad will join.
Maybe. Why do we need Brad? My question.
Well,
Spoke say he needs him.
Yeah. There's something that they call the the fucking storyteller motherfucker. I don't know who the fuck he is. The invisible guy, netherite armor, white armor trim. That's him. So we need them to deal with that guy.
No.
Why?
No.
No,
Them,
yeah.
man.
Yeah, no. So, yeah.
Hey, question, P-hole. Is my Parrot and his flame is good?
If so, leave him in the comments.
I actually have a paper saying this. Towards I didn't say yes. Towards I got other things to do.
Yeah.
And they didn't send him one yet.
Yeah. Also, I did not watch the Unstable SMP, so I was thinking about like, hey, why don't we get a paper first, then we just go see what the fuck happened in that is. Do it face to face. Yeah.
Cameraman thumb.
Yes. Back to the video.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Anyway. Blame.
So,
you dragged me into this.
Yes. So, a quick heads up, I did ask Jack face to face.
Mm-hmm.
He said we must at least do a few rounds of this.
I'm not good at zombies. I know I've been through a lot, but
yeah, he did tell me there's this over here, an armory. We can test out like weapons here. Yeah,
that's
there's
sword and shield and gun.
Yeah, but we got guns.
Do YouTube down to this?
Hey, they didn't cover any of my videos. I can relook on my. I can go on my phone and relook. They did not. All right, Parrot, you can put the gun down now, man. There's multiple guns out there, and there's one called that fucking. There's like a laser gun. There's two of them. That got your attention pretty well. Now then, he said we should probably do this on casual since we're new to this.
Yeah, true.
And he said Frozen Frontier, I think. I don't know. Or Pirate Cove. Should we do Pirate Cove? It's called Cave Cove.
I don't know.
Let's do Cave Cove.
I am a parrot.
Yeah, let's do Cave Cove since it matches you pretty well, Parrot. Huh. Weird map. Why does everything have a price? Hey, look at the back of your hand. There's something there. Oh wow, we got a gun.
You got a pistol. What the? Keep on doing it.
Where? Okay, say 26 quid.
What?
Okay, say 26.
Where did that music come from?
Jack said we should not probably be more warned of the music. Alright. It said the music
I'm
is
interested.
Yeah, Jack said music is part of the game.
You know me, I'm the smartest person on Minecraft.
Yeah, you are. We need to leave a lot of money to try and get the first door open.
Fridge?
What?
You say fridge?
No, I said a lot of quick.
Fridge?
I don't know.
Did you say fridge?
We need to find a way to open this door, but we need enough money for it.
Yeah.
Well, at least Brad and Jack lend us their accounts to do this.
I think you do from my other hand.
Nice. So, at least they actually did show us to do that. I'm terrible. Relax.
What?
What?
That's
We
weird.
can. Well played.
They say if you want to, Brad, you put on your other on. What?
Oh yeah, I forgot. You put a live on yours. Nice job, Parrot. Hey, wait, hold up, I haven't beyond enough. Huh.
I have enough
Is it
as
better?
well.
You could probably get the next one. See how much it costs.
Maybe. I don't know. Probably about 5.
Shit. It's nearly double the
1,000.
amount. It's nearly double the amount. 700.
Damn.
700.
I'm nearly there.
Yeah, we need you to get up there so we can try to get through that door over there.
Yeah.
Jack says something about. Jack and Brett says something about box. It's like it's somewhere beyond the map, so it has to be over there.
Huh. What? How did I sense that?
It's probably Brad when he has his sensors on again. Must be below us. Don't worry about them, Parrot. You're the ones that are gonna see.
Need money.
Yeah, no. There's something over there.
Oh, come here.
Oh, hey. We can take these.
Carpenter generation.
Generation? That sounds like a little bit.
Can you stop pulling a Brad card and help out properly? You're nearly there.
Sorry. I wonder how he get obsessed with that. Anyway.
I don't know. You just need a... You need a little bit
I
more.
don't know.
Shoot that guy. Shoot that guy.
bit.
Shoot them. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. There he is.
God damn it. Wait.
There you go.
Done.
Nice. I think I have enough for the next one. Nice, Parrot. We're going good. That's P90.
We play Minecraft.
Yeah, we are. We're capable of third. Look at different FOPs. Oh, what the fuck?
You need to put eyes out. What the hell?
You finally notice the guy that crawls?
Why is that fast? Why is the woman fast?
Don't know, but I have enough.
Oh.
Jack said we probably get a little bit more.
Huh? I wonder when we do about this.
I don't know, the next time should I get him?
Yeah, maybe.
Right.
Just imagine when we're just gonna do mace attack.
Yeah, the amount of times I remember, he probably would end up doing that. Here. Oh, yeah, box. Down there.
Boss. Boss.
Oh, there's an ammo refill here.
Boss.
How much does it
Oh,
cost?
that's a lot.
What?
That's a
What is it?
lot.
I'm gonna take out your shins.
Flame.
Oh, yes, Parrot, I can tell.
I know you never die, but still.
Bro, the server fears me. They call me the immortal demon.
For a reason. What did they tell me?
Monarch. Wait, that's
What?
useless to us. That's
Yeah.
useless to us. We have infinite ammo.
Yeah. And pistols.
Give me a better gun. What is this?
No.
It's pathetic.
No. What did...
Kaboom! Max ammo.
Do they?
Damn, you can buy one as well. See what you got. That's better than mine. Damn, they call me the immortal demon.
How do we do
Oh, you shot him. Then we need a refill. We don't want to waste too much money on some pathetic refill.
Yeah. I don't know if fully till for
Kaboom!
Nice. We're doing good, Parrot.
I'm on dinner.
Carpenter.
That's what I need.
Really?
Let's see what I get. Let's see what I get. Oh, hello!
Oh. Really?
What? Nice hit, by the way.
Yeah.
That still has
I
a lot
have
of
really
ammo.
good aim.
Oh, you're good with lots of shit.
What?
Destroyed.
You're good with lots of shit.
Um.
What's that thing?
What? What? Oh.
Why is there another one? That was really
That's
easy.
easy.
Yeah. You're nearly there. I'll let you hit these few ones. You're just 20 away. Come
Yeah.
on. Where are the last two? Oh, there they are. Fire a
Really?
missile at them too. They're up there. Neat. Go ahead and start refilling yourself up. You earned it. What you got?
What the fuck do this do? Why do they have a laser?
All of them have lasers, Parrot.
Do they? Oh yeah.
More.
Sorry, I'm new to this. Oh shit.
Yeah, I know. Same thing with me. I think Rimbo did before. I don't know. Here, refilled this for you. My stuff there, your stuff. We have a 45 timer left, so we have enough time to actually plan. Keep your stuff to your stuff.
Uh-huh. I wonder.
Well, what you wondering, Parrot?
Do my wings work?
I don't think they will work here, guy. I'm very sorry, man. I don't think they work.
But they will.
It won't. Never mind. Works for a bit.
Bye.
Parrot, get back, we're playing fairly. Damn it, Parrot.
Well, I thought you don't have a live show.
And
Okay, calm down.
I'm not sure why they call me the mod.
Holy shit. I wish I had guns in Minecraft.
I think that's already more that Brad figures found out. I have enough for I don't have enough for a random weapon.
Nice.
Hey, Parrot! I can't see
What?
him. I can't see any of the enemies. You put your wings away, man.
What? You can't see anything towards. Oh yeah, towards. Yeah. Sorry about that.
That's fine, man. Send out your big fellas.
Hey, guess what?
Wonder what you have there.
Leo finally told me biggest bird.
Yes! You are the biggest bird, my dude!
Yeah. Hell yeah!
Yep.
Jesus, that's a voice track.
Yep.
That's a big voice track for Parrot.
Yep. I need enough for a new weapon, man. I got a minigun.
And that's all this record is really helpful.
Nearly have enough.
I haven't weighed enough.
What's this gonna do?
Snipe. I'm a bit discouraged.
Does shit. This barely does shit. You can just gamble.
Okay.
Back to back as well. Damn.
What is it? Okay.
I think we need to hit him down. What the fuck are those guys?
Max ammo.
Okay. Ow.
Yeah, we can reach out.
Hey. Look who's back in action. Hey, Bear, I got the exact same weapon as yours.
Nice.
14 shells.
What?
Damn.
What is riveting?
Fetch me their souls.
You don't need my help. Who's that?
Max ammo.
I can show you why they call me the immortal demon!
Having fun?
Max ammo.
Yeah, my little rampage is over now.
Yeah, I'm guessing. Yeah.
Yeah.
You need
Wait,
to
hold
calm down.
Yeah, hold on.